What do you do for a living?
Nothing. And then I record it.
I haven't had anything done to my face before, and I don't go to get facials very often or anything like that. So I'm gonna get a premium facial, rejuvenating facial, and I'm gonna get Botox and see what happens. We'll see if you're not scared of mommy when she comes out, looking like Hollywood celebrity. All right, so they have this little machine. Apparently it's gonna mycodermabrate me, and it's going to infuse me and oxygenate me. And I can't wait to see how beautiful I am at the end of this. I trust you.
Yeah. Fungsinya ini untuk mengikis kulit-kulit mati. Ini agak sedikit kasar, terasa?
Ya.
Ya, itu kayak dikikis seperti ini.
This is actually my best angle. Banyak bapak-bapak ternyata yang tanam benang. Businessmen ya, they get thread lifts. But kok aku nggak lihat di silet ya, they don't talk about that. Good for them, but like, it was interesting. Thought I'd like to share that. So I'm gonna just enjoy this facial massage with this infrared type of thing on my face. Jadi ini anestesi.
Iya.
Baru mereka menyerang dengan suntikan. So what do you think about this?
Manusia plastik.
Yeah?
Ya.
No, I mean the Botox.
Oh, aku nggak tahu. Karena aku nggak tahu, nggak pernah tahu.
When I told him I wanted to do it, he was like, nggak bisa, nanti kayak si itu
Oh,
sama
itu
si
ya.
itu. Very judgmental. Thumbs down.
Yang dia cowok apa cewek ya? Pokoknya yang mukanya tuh kayak dirubah tapi mirip semua. Tapi itu bukan
Itu
Botox.
mah Bobotox.
Haji JJ pernah denger nggak?
Enggak.
Adalah dia pokoknya cetakannya sama gitu, jadi mukanya mirip semua sama. Aku pikir mau digituin. Enggak.
You just be the cameraman, alright?
Yeah,
Keep
yeah.
your opinions to yourself.
Siap. Gede
So I'm gonna just close my eyes.
jarumnya gede Sa, itu segede
Yeah.
pensil.
Biarin. You're just a hater.
Just relax.
Just relax, alright? Yep. And that's from just being in Indonesia and having to, I do that a lot. Do all kinds of expressions a lot. No.
Akan kelihatan hasilnya 3 hari sampai dengan 7 hari. Nanti setelah 2 minggu boleh touch up kalau memang rasa dok, I think ini kurang atau
Okay.
saya mau lebih kencang lagi, itu masih bisa di touch up.
Okay.
Abis ini nggak boleh keluar rumah kan dok ya?
Habis ini yang paling nggak boleh adalah satu, tiduran dalam jangka waktu 4 jam. Kemudian jangan memasas area yang disuntik.
Oh my god, BBC. Aduh.
Gawat ini. Gimana? Okay, so it's been a few days and I am not wearing makeup right now. Lagi nggak pakai makeup. Tapi supaya ada bandingan, I'm gonna try to recreate a photo that I did a couple months ago. Biar kelihatan bedanya sekarang sama dulu. Karena sekarang sudah mulai terasa. Ini udah 4 hari dan 3-5 hari sampai kelihatan, and then mentok 2 minggu itu udah maksimal. So we can definitely get a taste of what Botox does. Nah, saya minta 75% lah gitu. Jadi masih bisa gerak-gerik. You can see from those photos, Botox turned back the clock. But this is not an advertisement for Botox, okay? This is an advertisement for let's stop being so righteous and judgmental. Like, Anga judged me from the moment I even mentioned the word Botox. Like, maybe Botox is that type of treatment that you don't tell anybody you got it and just enjoy the comments, oh, you look rested. So I know that even though there is still some shame attached to it, I really could care less. I wanted to share this experience with you. And it turns out I actually do really like it. Like dulu ya, aku ingat ibu saya bilang, karena dia terlihat, bagus kulitnya sampai dia tua. And people would ask, what's your secret, Lois? Dan dia selalu jawab, very expensive moisturizer. And it worked for her. Tapi sekarang kita punya teknologi ini, saya tebak ini lebih efektif daripada, setiap hari untuk bertahun-tahun harus pakai expensive moisturizer. I think it's probably cheaper in the end just to get Botox and just use a cheap moisturizer. I'm not sure, ini eksperimentasi, tapi itu dugaanku, so I'm gonna try that. So I'm definitely gonna go get Botox again. I love it. Being comfortable without makeup at all, that's the look I'm going for. So if Botox is gonna help me get it, then so be it. Bring on the needles. Dan facialnya juga aku suka banget. Sepertinya habis di facial kulit lebih halus dan ada like kecil-kecil rusak di kulit hilang dengan gitu. So I'm definitely gonna do that again too. As for like getting things done in Bali, ya mungkin ada orang yang pikir, siapa mau ke klinik di Indonesia kan kurang standarnya. But I don't have that thinking in my head. Keluarga saya punya pengalaman jelek di Kanada, jadi saya nggak ada pikiran di otakku bahwa Kanada lebih bagus dari Indonesia. My C-section was in Tasik. I just have a look at the hospital, I'm comfortable with the doctor, I go for it. Gitu juga dengan Botox di Bali. I went to the clinic. It was like high tech, the equipment was from overseas. The doctors are qualified, and why not? I didn't have a problem with that. If other people do, I don't know, go to Australia and pay more. I don't know. I found my clinic, Skin Acts, and that's in Denpasar, and I felt really comfortable there. When you pick a clinic and you decide on it, you just go in, and if you don't like the look of what's going on, then you just don't do it. Make sure it's not like in a gang and it doesn't say Tukang Botox. If it says Tukang Botox, that way, don't go there. But for me, it worked great and I love the results, and so I just wanted to share that with you. So yeah, now you can be like, Sasha looks great, now it's Botox. Well, whatever. Also, as you know, I brought Z. Z was in the waiting room waiting for mommy to get her forehead immunized. So if you want to check her out, then I will leave a link here. And please subscribe to the channel. I will see you next time. Bye!